Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I have a very easy craft for you. So today's tutorial is a super easy one. Super easy, yeah, even Kiki says it's super easy. It's how to make a play tent without any sewing whatsoever, and you definitely have it done within 5 minutes. What you're gonna need to make your play tent is a large piece of fabric. I'm using a piece of cotton double gauze I bought at Cloth&Candy. It's 2 meters long and 1.4 meters wide. You can also use maybe a sheet or a duvet cover, any large piece of material you have and lying around in the house. You also need an embroidery hoop, a large one, mine is 30 centimeters in diameter, and you need a piece of string or yarn or wool. We're gonna start by laying our fabric flat on the floor. You see, this double gauze is really nice and soft. And then we're going to need our embroidery hoop. Take it apart so you have the 2 rings. And then in the middle of your fabric, 10 centimeters from one of the sides, you're going to put the inner hoop underneath the fabric. That's the one without the fastening. And you're going to put the other one on top. Let me just show you this from a different angle because Kiki is sort of blocking the camera there. So you're going to put the inner hoop underneath the fabric, 10 centimeters from one of the sides. And you put the other hoop on top. You see me loosening the hoop a little bit here, just make sure there's space for all the fabric. Don't tighten it just yet. What you're going to do next, you're going to pull the middle of the fabric, you're going to pull the fabric through your hoop, sort of on a nice triangle, tent shape, sort of on maybe 10-15 centimeters of fabric. Make sure the fabric is spaced evenly throughout the hoop. And then when everything is in place, we're going to tighten the hoop. Mine you have to tighten with a screwdriver, some you just have to twist around, but I think the one with a screw is a bit easier because it goes tighter. When it's all secure in place, I was getting my string, and as you can see I don't think I need to build a tent for these two because they seem to be quite happy just playing on a sheet. And to hang your tent you can use some yarn or rope or string, whatever you got lying around. I'm using some spaghetti yarn from Hooked. You want around 1.5 meters. Cut this to size. Let me move the dog because you're sliding away, Kermit. You're gonna get the middle of your tent-shaped fabric, just roughly here, and then you're simply gonna tie your yarn in place. Do this with a double or maybe triple knot. Just make sure it's super secure. And that's it, guys. That is your tent done. It couldn't be any easier. And now we just need to hang it. You can do this from a washing line or from a hook in the ceiling or from a tree or anywhere you want to play. I think that worked out so well and it's so easy to make. And the good thing is there's no sewing involved. You can use the material for something else later. This will be really good to use indoors. You can use it outdoors, just hang it from a tree or from your washing line. And a lot of people seem to be using these canopy style tents also over cot beds. I personally won't do this because I think it's a little bit of a strangulation risk. But yeah, it will look beautiful hung from the ceiling as well, just draped over the bed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. There's plenty of craft and DIY inspiration for you to do while we're stuck indoors. I'll be back with a new video soon and I really hope to see you then. Say bye bye, Kermit. Kiki, you want to say bye bye?
Bye.
Bye, see you soon.